Hi, today I am going to make a video for you to show you how to stop the Windows 10 updates. Welcome to Smart Tech. Uh, you can see that before there was Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. You can find before there was option here, Windows Update, and most often we click on that option and we can stop the updates from here. But Windows 10 Pro, there is no option such here like Windows Update. Even if you go to the control panel or you go to the settings here, you can go to the settings. You can see here updates and security. Even here is option for Windows Update, fine, but there is no option to stop the update from here. If I will get the advanced options from here, we cannot pause the stop the updates. We can just temporarily pause, but if we want to stop permanently, we have one way only. We have to go control panel. See here, if you will go to control panel, you can find over here administrative tools. First option on the left side, administrative tools. You have to click on administrative tools. Then you can see there are many options appear in front of us. We will go to straight away. There is an option here. The name is services. Click on services. Double click here. As you can see inside the services, there are many services of Windows. So you have to be careful. Do not go any options here because this is all are related to system and Windows. We will find over here Windows Update option, and this Windows Update option is right downside here in the end of this options menu. You can see here. Okay, you can see this is Windows Update. We have to stop update from here. If you will right click from here, you can see the start button is disappeared, hidden, and the stop is visible. Start is invisible. So it means that our service is running. We have to stop the service first. You can right click here or stop, or you can double click on that option and you can see service status running. Okay, we have to stop this service. If we will stop it, it's stopped. Okay, you can see service status stopped. So just not finish over here. We have to, because if we will restart our machine, this service will start again. Because the startup type is manual, we have to disable startup type. If we will disable startup type, it will never run again Windows Update until we will came again in this option and will enable again. Otherwise, from itself, it cannot be enabled. So this is the way only. You have to startup type make disable. First stop the service, then startup type disable and press apply, and then press OK. Then our service is stopped now. So as you can see, I repeat again, if you want to stop the update, you have to first go to the control panel. This is our control panel. If your control panel is like this, here you can go to the category and press large icons. Okay, then administrative tools. Inside administrative tools, you can see services. Okay, inside the services, we will find Windows Update icon. Here is Windows Update icon. Okay, we will right click and stop the services and we will disable startup type. Then we will press apply and then we will press OK. So this was the way. Hope you liked it. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. So I would like to say goodbye. See you again.